Hello everyone. Now we'll see how to find the values and how to replace the values. Here I have some data, months, days and numbers. Suppose I want to find in this, I want to find some characters or some letters or some word, whatever you want, you can find that. Here I have some less data, but in the real time we do have lots of data, right? Lots of number of data. So in that, if you want something, or if you want someone name, or if you want something employee, whatever you want, you can find that easily. For that you have to click this option. Here we can see that find and select. Click on this and click on find option. Here whatever you want to find, you can enter that value. Suppose I want to find J. Okay, so I'll click find next. See, it is cursor is moving from January to June. Again click on next, June to July, again next, again January. So there are 3 J's in my sheet. So this is what I can see. So like that you can search whatever the words you want. Like if I want now day, I want to search day, find. See, Sunday, in Sunday there is a day, right? Again Monday, again Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Why it is showing on that day means there is a 3-letter word day is there, right? So these 3 letters is having this all days. So these all words having this days value. So that is the reason it is reflecting over there. So now if you want to replace, for finding something we have shortcut key also, Control F. By clicking Control F we can find the options, and if you want to replace, there is a same thing is available in the find option only, replace. And if you want to go from here also, you can go click find and select and click replace. Here if you want to replace J with I, click. If you want to replace the J with I, wherever the J reflects, it will replace by I. Find, total 3 are there, right? So I'll replace. So what I'll do, replace January. In the place of January it is replaced by I. Again replace June, it is also replaced. July, it is also replaced. Here another option we have, replace all. Suppose what I did, just I clicked wherever I want, I just clicked replace for single column. So but if I want to replace all J's at a time, so for that what I'll do, just I'll redo this thing. I'll replace I with the J. But there are so many I's in this data, because April there is a I, and Friday there is a I guess 5 I's are there, but we'll see. Replace all. See, all done. We made 5 replacement. So wherever the J is there, wherever the I is there, there I is replaced by the J. So in this way you can replace the values. Okay, and next we have option go to. Suppose if you want to go to some particular cell, you can give that cell reference number. So now if I want to go G15, here G15 I can go and click on go to. If you want some Y10, it will display in the Y10 option. So like that you can go. For shortcut keys, Control G. Shortcut keys for Control G. To go to option, shortcut keys Control G. And here we can see the history. Wherever we are going, you can see that history like this. If you want to replace the things, again say Control G again. So how many times I click this, that many times it will go. Okay, so this is what about find, replace and go to. And also font format. Here we have in home tab we have font format option. Here if you click this, we can able to see all these options available here. And if you click on number, all these values whatever is there are available here. And alignment, all these alignment options are available here, like that. And borders and fill and protection. Protection is nothing but to lock the sheet and hide the files. So we'll see here. I'll close this. If you want bold this January, just click on bold. Shortcut key is Control B and it will remain same. And if you want italic, just for shortcut key is for italic, Control I, it remains same. And if you want underline, just click on this icon and shortcut key is for Control U. And if you want borders for this particular cell, just click on this icon and just select all the borders, so it is highlighted with the border. See, I'll choose some different cells, so click on this. See, everything is bordered, right? So like that we can do. So I'll undo this. And if you want fill background color with some color, just there is a bucket option, fill the color, right? Click on this. It is by default yellow is there. If you want to change the if you want to see the more colors, just click on beside that down option, and here we have some more colors. So whatever the color you want, you can select from here. Just click OK. And if you want no color in this, just no fill. Click on this. And this is for, there is a beside the bucket there is a something is called A, right? Here by default font is selected with the color A. Suppose if I select this Monday, if I click on this, it is red, right? It is selected by the red color, so that is the reason it is reflected as a red. And if you want more colors, just click on this thing and you can see the more colors. And you can, if you want to apply some other color, you can. And if you want no color, just click white. Sorry, I'll so if you want black color, you can select it as black. There is no color option. And here there are some kind of font styles are available. These are all font style. So if you select February, then if you want Arial around empty bold, this will change into that font mode. And if you select this and put something, and if you select this, and you can also select some other styles like that, you can select. And here we have size of the character. By like this we can increase or decrease the size of the characters. And also from here we have small a and big A. To increase this increase the text, and it is what to decrease the text within the cell. And here we have another options in alignment ribbon. If you want, I'll extend these things, then you can understand easily. See here, my characters are all are left side. In this column, my characters are all are left side, right? If I want if I want this all characters in the middle, then I can choose this. If I want, this is for up, and this is for down, and this is for again down. middle. Sorry, this is for middle, this is for down, and this is for left side, and this is for middle, and this is for right side. See, you can see the changes in the this column. And if you have some paragraph, if you have some paragraph of data, if you want start by somewhere, like I have something called this is tutorials. See, actually this cell has extended the limit. So if you want it, you can just click like this, or if you don't want, like if you want it down, if you want to enter the data in the down place, you can just click on this wrap text. Wrap text means here you can see easily, you can see this Microsoft Excel. Excel is exceeded. So in the, if you click wrap text, it will come into the down. So like this you can use wrap text. Here what happens, see, I want to start, this is Excel tutorial, right? I want to start this letter from middle of the paragraph. See what I'll do, I'll click on this. If you click like this, it will take some space, like that. It will take some space for the paragraph. And if you want back, you can click on back. Okay, and here I have selected some cells. If I want merge all these cells, click on merge and center. See, this is total one cell. All the cells which I selected, all are merged with one cell. So now if I don't want, you can click on this again, it will remain same. Suppose here I'll type something text, and here again click on merge cell. It is merged with the single cell. All cells are merged with the single cell, but in the cell the text is down to that particular cell, right? If you want move it up, click here. If you want move it middle, click. If you want completely down, click here. Left side, middle, and right side. Like that you can move the text within the cell. And here we have another option in alignment. You can rotate the text angle like this, whatever you want. You can rotate vertical text also, and rotate the text also, and rotate text down, and format cell alignment. So like this you can also choose whatever you want, some design. Here you can click 90 degrees, or if you want put 170 degrees, like that. You can also put degrees format. Sorry, it is applicable for 90 to 90. Sorry, 180. If you want put 180 minus 90 to 90. Okay, just check all these options and you will come to know. And here I have numbers. Alright, if I want to add some digits, some decimals to these numbers, you can also add. And if I like click here and number, and here we have, sorry, just a minute. See, if you want this if you want to convert these things into some currencies, or if you want to add some decimals, and if you want to add values to this, if you want to add to full count, like that, there are some options are available. If you click here general and numbers, decimal space, if you want to put some decimal spaces after the 2-digit number, I want 3 decimals. Click OK. See, I can able to see 3 decimals after my value. and click, and currency. If you want currency symbol, just select the currency symbol whatever you want. By default there is a dollar symbol is there, but if you want to replace it with any value, you can also replace, but I want it for rupee. What I'll select rupee value. I'll select rupee value. So this is the rupee value. So like that you can select the currencies for these things. So, and you can also add these things. There is we can calculate all the total values, and sum functions, and auto sum, you get total value of these things. It is absolutely 280. So if you and also you can also, and second way you can also calculate, like just select these things here down, you can see average, count and sum. Here you can see average 40,000, sorry 40, and count is 7. These are all 7 counts are available, and total sum value is 280. So like this we can change the text formats. Thanks for watching.